In this video, I'm going to break down very quickly for you the steps, the techniques and practices to be very successful within your business using the law of attraction and manifestation. If you're new, thank you for subscribing. I'm going to share a bunch of business-minded stuff that's going to help you accelerate your growth and see awesome success. And if you're returning, you can use this stuff within any realm of your working for your own business, being an entrepreneur, or somebody else at work. It's all about the mindset. What is the law of attraction? It doesn't matter what we're trying to achieve. It's always the same thing. To be that which you are trying to attract. So you have to establish what you have. This is the very vital first part of anything with law of attraction and manifestation, is establish gratitude for the stuff you have. So if you're just launching a business, what do you have that's going right? First thing you're gonna do is list that out. Take a pen and a paper, write out 10, 15, 20 reasons of everything that's going well and everything that you've accomplished. We need to radiate gratitude for the success that we already have. The universe hears that and goes, that person's successful. Give them more success. Now we need to embody that list. We need to feel that gratitude. So once we list it out, we're not done there. Actually, we need to radiate that gratitude every single day. So every morning and night, I want you to read over that list. And at the end of each item that you wrote down, say, thank you, thank you, thank you. With manifestation, what we're trying to do is be successful, therefore attracting more success. And then through our thoughts, our spoken word, our actions, our feelings, and our belief, we are putting in an order for the future reality to experience certain experiences or a certain reality we wish of success within our business. More money, more clients, more success. So we're going to script out what that looks like in the next step. So we have to define 6 to 9 to 12 months from now. 6 to 12 months from now, what does your business look like? What kind of revenue do you want to be making? What kind of lifestyle within the business do you want to maintain? 1 to 2 weeks, you're going to be doing that, reading that over every single morning, every single night. The second part, step 2 of defining our goals, read that over too. So everything item that you list down, stop and visualize yourself in that space. Important part here is feeling the gratitude as if this has already happened. Sorry, alarm went off. I got work to do. I'm a busy guy, but you're going to do that visualization there and then experience that as if that is your life. Be grateful for that event, that occurrence, as if that is your life. And then comes the next part. You're going to get to work. Dedicate yourself. Determine that you are going to achieve your success no matter what. Never quit. Never listen to anybody who puts you down or tells you cannot achieve it. And never, ever give up on the faith that you deserve this success. This is your destiny. Every morning, you're going to wake up with this work objective, with this business objective, and be like, this is my destiny. I am successful. You're going to live it and breathe it and embody it. It is you. This is your way of life. And it is your destiny to be successful. So these are all the steps for manifesting success using the law of attraction. Be sure to comment. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to enter you into that raffle to win the personal consultation with me. And be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so very much. Let me know if you have any questions. Wishing you a tremendous amount of success within your endeavors and wishing you well. We'll see you next video.